Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target doctors using Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target doctors with Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe selling a certain product or service that benefits doctors, obviously you don't want to advertise to the entire world. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there. So I put together this document. So there's a few things you need to consider. Sorry, I got to do that again. So there's a few things you need to consider if you're going to try to target doctors with your Facebook ads. So with Facebook ads, they are moving away from you, the advertiser, being able to choose your audience. So a lot of it's being handled by Facebook. So at some point in the future, you might not be able to zero in on doctors. Facebook's algorithm is automatically going to take care of that. If that's the case, then most of the work on your part is going to be handled in the creative. So you need to make sure that your creative is speaking directly to your ideal customer, which is doctors. Until then, you can build an audience that is geared towards going towards doctors. So in your audience, you want to based off of interest. So medical doctor, physician, surgery, hospital, these are all things that people would have on their Facebook profile that lets Facebook know that they are a doctor. Also, job titles, doctor, physician, surgeon, dermatologist, cardiologist. You don't really want to target doctors in general. I would definitely recommend that you kind of zero in on a specific type of doctor, especially depending on whatever your offer is. You can also target employers, so large hospital systems like Kaiser Permanente. You can also target based off of field of studies, so medicine, surgery, nursing, radiology, pediatrics. Another way you can target are based off of associations or memberships. So for example, if you're going after folks that are doctors in California, maybe you can go ahead and target the California Association, whatever that might be for doctors. And then also you can do geo-targeting. So if your offer is geared towards doctors in California, you want to be sure to notate that in your audience, so that way your ads aren't showing up for doctors that are in Florida that really have nothing to do with whatever it is that you're offering. Okay, so let me jump over to my Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, so here I am in the Facebook Ads Manager. This is the home screen. So in order to target doctors on Facebook Ads Manager, here on the left, you're going to click on these three little people called Ian. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and build an audience. So of these three options, you want to click on Saved Audience, create a saved audience. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead and create an audience. So first off, what we're going to do is name the audience. So let's just go ahead and generally name this one doctors. And then here, locations. If this is relevant, you want to be sure to add a location. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add California, and I'm going to choose a state. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down. You can go ahead and target on age if you want. We're already targeting doctors, so they're already going to be at a certain age. But I mean, if you want, you can go ahead and increase this. So let's say that, maybe a new doctor is going to be 23, but if we're looking for somebody who's more established, meaning maybe they have more income coming in, maybe we can go ahead and target a little higher, but that's really up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at 23 to 65. Gender, men and women, I'm going to go ahead and just leave that at all. Languages, that doesn't really matter if I'm targeting doctors. You of course could, type in English if you want. So English. And here we want to go ahead and add in detailed targeting. So of the suggestions that I showed you on my Google document, let's go ahead and just type in doc. Okay, so here we have job title as a doctor. So there's about 843,000 people. And then we can go ahead and choose job title medical doctor, MD, MD director, medical doctor, orthopedic surgery, sports medicine, dermatologist, cardiology. Now, if we scroll up and we look at the audience size, it says 65 million people. So obviously that's not correct based off of this targeting. And the reason for that is, like I told you, Facebook is moving towards them handling the targeting for you. So they have this thing called Advantage Plus. It's automatically checked. And if you look, you can't uncheck it. So a workaround that I found is you want to click right here, switch to Advantage Plus audience. Okay. And now you can see that Advantage Plus is on. And then what you need to do is click back here, switch to original audience options. And now you can see it's narrowed down the audience size right here. So now Advantage Plus is off, and we want to just keep adding in people into the targeting. So let's say Kaiser. Okay, here's Kaiser Permanente. Let's add in dermatology, field of study, and let's see if there's any kind of medical association. Okay, interest medical school. Okay, so it's saying there's about 4 million to 4.7 million in this audience targeting doctors. So obviously if your offer doesn't apply to dermatologists, you definitely want to go ahead and back that out, or maybe it doesn't apply to cardiologists, back that, and then you want to click on create saved audience. Okay, so now we've created an audience. So now when we go to create our ads in the Facebook Ads Manager, we're going to be able to select this audience as doctors to target. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target doctors using Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. video. Thanks again for watching.